Hey guys, welcome to Praxie Best Practices. Today we're going to talk about Praxie's coaching management solution. First, we're going to give you an application overview. Then we're going to show you how to add clients, add profiles, goals, and actions, and then track progress and communicate with your clients. Let's get started. When you come into the application, you'll be taken to the Get Started screen, which gives you an overview of all the different areas of the application. You can add new clients from here. You can also view the video you're watching now right here. Come back at any time and review it. You can invite other team members from your team by entering their email address here and getting them on board so they can work with you in the environment. Or you can send requests to our team where we can customize the application to your exact needs. So if you come up to the menu item, there's a number of areas here. One is the client board. That's a board view of all of the different clients, and you can, after you add them and enter the data, you can then move them between onboarding or in progress or change these stages to whatever you'd like them to be. You also have a list view that gives you a list of all of your clients. We only have the one example client with basic information about that particular client, your next meeting, etc. And you can drill right down into the that particular record from there. You also, after you've entered the information, you can add tasks in here, and this will give you an overall actions timeline of all of the tasks in all of your different clients and where each of those tasks are. You also have the ability to archive the individual records. Those will go into your archived area. And if you need help from us, again, you can come back here at any time and send a request. Now let's go into an individual client. We'll show you how to fill that out. So I'm going to jump in here to Sarah Jones, and you can enter the information, the department, title, phone, email, working with the client, what their developmental goals are, etc. Enter that information, and then during each meeting you can track the progress. You can also attach documents here. Finally, you can enter information about all of the action items. You can add new tasks here and all of the action items that need to be done prior to the next meeting, and then schedule your follow-up meeting here. All of that information goes into the reports. And then when you want to communicate with your client, all you have to do is export this to a PDF and send them the record. This will generate a PDF of this exact record that you can then send to your client and keep them fully informed on everything that's going on. So that's it. That's coaching management in Praxie.